Razor's Edge Concaves, the future of harvesting. At Thunderstruck Ag, we believe innovation is the backbone of modern farming. That's why we created Razor's Edge Concaves, a system designed to maximize efficiency, reduce grain loss, and deliver consistent results season after season. Farmers face unpredictable weather, rising costs, and the pressure to get the most out of every acre. The Razor's Edge Concave system was built with these realities in mind, providing you with the tools to take control of your harvest. One concave, all crops, no inserts or cover plates. Whether you're running a John Deere, Case, Fendt Ideal, or New Holland combine, this system eliminates the hassle of swapping parts between crops so you can keep harvesting without downtime. Here's what makes the Razor's Edge Concave stand out. Eliminate rotor loss and keep more grain in the tank. Boost threshing capacity from corn and soybeans to wheat, canola, and more. Deliver a cleaner, higher quality grain sample for a faster, more profitable harvest. Let's talk durability. The Razor's Edge Concave system is built with a 50% thicker frame than standard OEM options, giving you a product that withstands the toughest harvest conditions. Add to that our laser-clad edges designed for aggressive threshing and long-lasting performance. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. The notched bar design is at the heart of our innovation. These 90-degree notches create an aggressive threshing edge, forcing grain-on-grain threshing for the cleanest sample possible, minimizing crop damage while maximizing yield. Our variable spacing design progressively opens from inside to outside based on how material flows through, directing grain efficiently through threshing and separating sections. This prevents overload, eliminates bottlenecks, and keeps your combine running at peak performance. And because farming is already complicated enough, Razor's Edge Concaves remove the need for inserts or cover plates. Just install them and start harvesting. It's that simple. No extra components, no unnecessary adjustments, just effortless performance across every crop. Here's what farmers love most. Reduced fuel consumption. By running your combine at lower rotor speeds, you save money with every pass. Increased harvested bushels per acre. With less grain loss and more efficient threshing, every acre adds to your bottom line. Proven reliability. Tested in fields across North America and Australia, the Razor's Edge Concave system is built to perform in any condition. Think about what this means for your operation. No more lost time swapping concaves or fine-tuning settings. No more worrying about grain damage or bottlenecks. Instead, you get a system that works as hard as you do, season after season. With the Razor's Edge Concaves, you're not just investing in equipment, you're investing in your farm's future. Imagine doubling your return on investment every 1,000 acres harvested. That's the kind of impact our system delivers. At Thunderstruck Ag, we know the importance of reliability. That's why the Razor's Edge Concave system is built to last, delivering consistent results year after year. Maximize your yield, minimize your losses, save time, reduce costs, and take control of your harvest with Razor's Edge Concaves. Upgrade today, harvest the future.